3 things that you can change on your YouTube account to make sure that your CPM gets higher. You can increase your CPM by 3 times or more by using these strategies, but make sure to watch the entire video because all these things work together, and if you skip one of them, it might not work as well as it. Make sure to watch the entire video. And these are things that I use on my own channel to make sure that my CPM is really, really high. Make sure to smash the like button if you're excited about this, and let's jump right into the video. So this is Biaheza's channel. I'm sure many of you have heard of him before. He makes videos about how to make money online, and so there's something that he does that ensures that he has an extra high CPM. The first thing that he does is he makes really long videos. You need to have a video that's longer than 8 minutes in order to add something called mid-roll ads to your video. So on his channel, there's not one video that is under 8 minutes. Let's just keep scrolling. You can see this one's 10 minutes, 12 minutes, 13, 10, 13. You will not find any video that is below 8 minutes, and there's a reason for that. This one is definitely below 8 minutes, but this was 2 years ago. His recent videos are all over 8 minutes, and there's a reason for that. And I'm going to show you right now. Whenever we click on his video, you can see that an ad is going to play right here. So we're just going to let that play, and I'm going to show you what he does within the video and something that you can do as well to make sure that your CPM gets higher. So if we keep clicking throughout this video, you can't see it right now, but see, an ad is going to play right here, and that is called a mid-roll ad. So it plays in the middle of the video, and what you can do is you can add extra ads in the middle of your video. And many people are not sure if this is going to annoy their viewers, but guys, this is how YouTube works. You just need to add as many ads as possible throughout your video. You can add one ad at least maybe every minute or every 2 minutes. That is what I like to do. And your CPM will definitely get higher because YouTube is a platform that works around ads. YouTube knows that the only way they can make money is with ads playing on people's videos. So you should not be afraid of adding ads onto your video. Now, how you can do this is as long as you have a video that is over 8 minutes, what you can do is go into your YouTube studio. So for instance, we're going to go to this video of mine right here. This one was posted about a couple months ago. We're going to go to monetization on the left corner here. Click on that, and that's going to bring you to this page right here. So you want to turn on monetization, and we're going to scroll down to manage mid-roll ads. And what this does is it allows us to add several ads throughout the video. So here you can see that I added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 10 ads to one video, guys. And you could do the same as well. You don't have to worry about people upset about adding ads to your video because that's how YouTube works. We want to make as much money as possible. So you can see right here that I added one at 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5, 6. So you can do that as well on your videos as well. Just make sure that it's over 8 minutes. It used to be 10 minutes, but now YouTube lowered the length of video that you need in order to add mid-roll ads down to 8 minutes. So if you want to add an ad, you just click right here, add break, and this is going to add an ad to the beginning of my video, and whenever someone clicks on the video, it's going to play, and whenever they watch the video, it's going to play throughout the video. And not all of these ads are going to play because YouTube wants to make sure that the viewer's experience is as optimal as possible, but just make sure to add as many as possible so that whenever you get a chance to show an ad, it does happen. So the next technique that you could use to increase your CPM on YouTube is by using chapters. So in this video right here, guys, there's a specific trick that people don't know about that I'm going to show you that you could do on your videos in order to increase your CPM and get more ads playing on your video. So it's done with chapters. So this is what chapters are. If you go to this person's description, you can see that they added just chapters on their videos. So you can see that at 0 seconds, the intro, 10 seconds, the YouTube chapters, and you can see that right here. It's like named on here on the video. So it's really cool. But something that people don't know that they could do is use these chapters to play more ads. if this person used that strategy, what would happen is someone would come down here, click on this chapter timestamp, and an ad would start. It would say ad starting in 3, 2, 1 right here. And I'm sure that many of you have seen that on YouTube, right? Whenever you skip through a video or you're watching a video, it might say ad starting in 3, 2, 1. So you could use this to your advantage. So what you're going to do is go into your YouTube Studio just like we did before. We're going to go to Monetization, Manage Mid-roll Ads, and then use your timestamp. So whenever you add a timestamp, like right here, this person did 45 seconds. So what you could do is add a timestamp about 4 seconds later. So if you put a timestamp at 45 seconds, you're going to put a mid-roll ad at 49 seconds-ish. So what we're going to do is just imagine this video was the other person's video. You're going to press add break and then change this time to 49 seconds, and then it'll add an ad right there. So just do that with every ad break that you do. So every chapter that you add, just make sure that you add an ad about 5 seconds or 4 seconds later. So whenever someone clicks on this, it's going to say ad starts in 5, 4, 3, and your CPM is going to go so much higher. And guys, people are missing out so much not using this strategy. Like, there are so many people that do not know about this, because with a video that is like 38 minutes long, 50 minutes long, you could use this strategy and make sure that your CPM just gets really super high. But when you go to people's descriptions, they don't have any timestamps, and they're missing out on money that could be made and higher CPMs as well. So you're going to know how to do this, and you're going to be ahead of the curve. So the third thing that we're going to do to increase our CPM, and something that I make sure that I do for every single video, guys, you need to make sure that you use these strategies for every single video so that your CPM will be really high. So you're going to go to your YouTube Studio, click on any video in all of your videos, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom. And let me just go ahead and find this place. So you're going to go to your languages, and here you can see that the video language is set to English United States. So this is super important because this kind of shows YouTube who to show your video to. So there's a lot of options here. There's Czech, there's Chinese, there's Bosnian, there's Arabic. You want to go to scroll down to English United States, because people in the United States, whenever they watch your video, that is the highest kind of CPM that you can get. So you want to make sure that YouTube is showing your video to them, and they're the ones who are clicking on the ads, because the ads that play on there have the highest CPM if they watch it. So that is the tip So that is one tip that is super important that you could follow to increase your CPM. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, I have a lot more ways to increase your CPM that I can show you. I'm going to make a part 2 and 3 of this video. So if you want me to go ahead and do that, just type YouTube money down in the comments so I know who's watching. I really like to know who's watching around this time. Make sure to smash that subscribe button if you learned something, because I'm going to be coming up with more tips and tricks to make more money on your YouTube channel. I want to make sure that I show you exactly how you can make a lot more money on all of your YouTube channels. So make sure to smash that like button and hit that notification bell as well.